Let's connect Adcombo to wecantrack so your conversions track automatically. From the left menu, open Data Sources, then Affiliate Networks. Search for Adcombo in the list. Open it, then click Create Account. Give your account a name you will recognize later. Adcombo connects with a postback URL. A postback is a server-to-server message that tells wecantrack the moment a conversion happens. Click Create Postback URL, and wecantrack generates your unique postback URL. Copy it. Then in Adcombo, open the Postback section under Settings General and paste it into the Postback field. Back in wecantrack, your Adcombo account is now connected and ready to track conversions. That's it, no developer needed. Check our other integration guides.